It's 4:44 in the morning and I'm out for a bike ride. Today is summer solstice, so myself and Chris are going to be riding sunrise to sunset. It's about 17 hours. I think we're going to the seaside. So where are we going?
Giro?
Got 17 hours of riding. We can just extend our cafe stops to be real long. Come and say hello. Go like there. People have been asking where you are.
I stayed in Australia.
So he's right, I basically haven't seen Chris since Australia, which is ridiculous. We thought we'd meet up, do a really long ride together. It's probably going to be into a headwind, isn't it? We're going to go to Dungeness, which is on the south coast and about 90 miles away. I don't know how hilly it is. I haven't got the route and I haven't charged my Di2. So we've been riding what feels like about 5 hours, but it's only 7:30 in the morning still. So quite a way to go. Roads have been absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you saw that GoPro clip of the descent when we were in the fog at the top, but yeah, pretty nice. It's cool riding around here because a lot of the roads are old race courses that I used to race on. So all of the Southeast Road Racing League, catch my breath. So all of the Southeast Road Racing League and a bunch of other events, divisional champs, all around here, so keep popping out and being on roads that I know.
So I think we've probably done about 70k.
Okay. I'm sleepy.
I'm Chris, how you doing?
8:30. First proper coffee stop. What you got?
Snakes.
Good coffee. Coffee buzz. In where are we? Don't know where we are. There you go. That's what you want. 100k down, 200k to go, and then a bit more because we got to go to sunset. Well, I don't think he is. I'm going to sunset. What if there's no sunset?
You just got to keep going, mate. You'll ride for the rest of your life.
Until there is one?
Until there is one. So it could be a week's time. Good luck with that. The pan flat bit.
I've bonked twice now on this ride. So I've been losing a bit of weight because I want to do some Everesting attempts. Not the record or anything, but I want to tackle some local climbs and do it as a bit of a video series. What that means is I've been eating a lot less than usual and bonking a lot. Trying to stay on top of the sugar on a ride like this, I just find really hard. Combined with an early start that I haven't been able to eat properly because it was so early. We're now like 5k away from the seaside, so it's going to be completely flat when we get there. We're just going to cruise around and then start heading back. Maybe chips. So as usual, we're relying solely on Komoot for this route, and so far it has delivered. I mean, look at this, absolutely beautiful. It's a shame we've had a headwind all the way. It's been hard work, but things will be turning around soon.
So the elevation profile has basically been a big climb, and then a drop, and then another big climb, and then we've kind of gradually been coming like bumpy, and then it's just a little drop, and it's pan flat to the sea. And this is it.
Getting a bit windy though, mate.
What?
So there you go. Dungeness Lighthouse. Chris.
Plant with three-eyed fish.
Power plant. With three-eyed fish?
That's where Homer Simpson works.
Yeah. Reminds me of Balamory. I'm glad it's a tailwind home. Dungeness, absolutely beautiful place. I would recommend it, although there isn't much here. So to refuel, get some lunch, we're going to go back to Lydd, L-Y-D-D. The town we just came through. There's only one road that comes out here. Get some food in, get a sandwich, and then tailwind all the way home. We should be pretty quick back, although there's a fair bit of elevation. What's the elevation we've done? 1,300 meters on the way out, so it's about the same back as well. Sun's out, gonna get a tan. How nice is the tailwind?
Yeah.
Mate, the headwind was strong.
Nah, it was weak. We're used to stronger, man. Australia. This thing's got nothing on Australia.
I'm suffering, but I think this will get me through. Blue.
Blue.
Oh, it says blue, but it's kind of red. Right, so we're now at 208 kilometers. We've had our heads down, just plugging away. 7.5 hours of ride time. It's quite hilly, this route back, and we've been stuck on main roads. It seems to be getting a little bit better now. One of the highlights on commute on the way is lovely country lane. So we're looking forward to that. That's keeping us going. We're definitely not on it now. We've all been there, sat outside a newsagent, eating your body weight in food. All the sugary drinks, a bit of a refuel. We've got quite a lot left still. To be fair, I'm not really that focused on the distance, Chris, because it's more I want to get to sunset. So really, I might as well just sit here forever, like ages.
You could sit here for an hour. We could literally sit here for an hour. I'd rather a park bench, to be honest, but we could sit here for an hour.
Not the most comfortable floor in the world, I'll admit that. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to ride. Finally on a nice country lane. We're not going crazy for any records today. We really just wanted to enjoy summer solstice, take as many breaks as we need. Obviously the ride total is going to end up quite high just because of the amount of hours we spent out. So far the route's been fantastic though. Dungeness, recommend.
Cow.
Do you think this is lovely country lane?
I mean, it's quite lovely, and we're in the countryside.
Yeah, well.
If it isn't, we'll make it a new highlight.
Battery life on the Roam is pretty good, but for a ride this long, juicing it up on the fly. Hey Chris.
Yeah?
That's some final destination shit right there.
Don't jinx it, alright?
So it's real bad news. I haven't convinced Chris to come and ride the last bit with me. So, bye. I can't fist bump you. We are on
281.
281k. What am I going to get it to? I don't know, I'm just going to ride around. So current mission is to go home, refuel because I don't have Chris with me now, so I can't really leave my bike outside anywhere, and I'll run out of food, and then go back out and finish the last little bit. We've got 11 hours of ride time done, just shy of 300k now, and I'm absolutely wrecked compared to the 500k's that we did in the middle of winter. I guess that's the difference the elevation makes. We've got like 2,800 meters of elevation as well. Slowly getting there now, feeling pretty cooked. This will be my last entry on the bike. I've left the big camera at home, so I don't have to carry it. It's quite heavy. Gonna keep rolling, and I'll check in with you guys maybe in the morning. I'm probably gonna pass out. Ooh, ice cream van. Oh. Right, so it's now the next day. I'm gonna do this quickly because my hay fever is through the roof. I just slept like 12 hours. Ride stats, I'm not gonna upload my actual file because it's got loads and loads of loops around my house. I don't usually upload stuff anyway, but if you wanna check out the route we did, it's on Chris's Strava, Christopher Hall or Chris Hall Rides. I'll put a link down below to that. I finished up with 12 hours, 57 minutes of ride time, like 17 hours of elapsed time, and 336k in total. So not bad at all for a fairly chill pace. Legs are definitely feeling it today. I suppose sometimes you just have bad days, and I was definitely on one. A few stressful filming projects or days at work before this, and that's just what happens. As usual, really hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe and please leave a like and comment down below. It really helps. I'm gonna have a day off, and I'll see you guys soon.